Hi, I'm David Plunkert, a graphic designer and illustrator in Baltimore, Maryland. I'm standing in the gallery at Spur Design, where we're currently exhibiting posters by the legendary Seymour Quast. My studio is a large warehouse space I share with my wife and partner, the author and illustrator Joyce Hesselberg. Let's take a look around. This is the Potter Proof Press from 1904, where we print woodcuts. This is one set of the Spur flat files where we keep a lot of our posters. This is a two-color screen print for Jeff Edger's film Do It Again, trying to get the kinks back together. Another screen print, this is for the film Dungeon Masters, films by Kevin McAllister. I've designed and illustrated a number of comics and hardcover books, and I have a new book coming out of June 2022, Happy, Sad, Ugly, Pretty, that collects the posters I've created for Baltimore Theater Project. This is my morgue where I keep a lot of old books and photographs that I use in collages. Well, thanks again for coming by. I'll see you. Goodbye.